Guess what? Free shipping, baby. Hey guys, Roger with Grower Solution. How is everybody today? Gosh, it is a beautiful sunny day here in Tennessee. I want to show you, we've got some kind of test gardens here that Corey takes care of. Notice all the garlic down here. It's doing so wonderful. We've got a ton of cabbage he got it in a little late, but it's going to show off good. And of course, you know, you just look in his garden or his greenhouse, this one, he's got a couple more too. So much stuff, and he plants really intense anyway. What I really wanted to talk to you about though is the greenhouse sale we're having. For the month of May, spend $3,000 and it's free shipping. That's it, $3,000 free shipping. Now, if you want to buy a greenhouse, that's great. And I've got some examples I'm going to talk to you here in a second. But if you don't want to buy a greenhouse and you just want to buy $3,000 worth of pots or whatever, as long as you make the $3,000, it's free shipping. If you bought a 16-foot, this is a 20 behind me, if you bought a 16-foot greenhouse, you're not to $3,000, but you still need the in-wall kits, the roll-up sides, and the roll-up door. By the time you get that, the subtotal is $3,181. That's what you need, is $3,181. You're over $3,000. That takes care of it. Let's go to the next one. This is a good one. This is no greenhouse. This is all products. You need a bunch of 1020 trays and a bunch of inserts and some humidity domes and some labels. We ended up getting it at $3,033. Guess what? Free shipping. Yes, we're doing it again all the month of May. A 20-foot Quonset, which, by the way, this is the 20-foot Quonset right here. This is a 20 by 20 with end walls, roll-up sides, roll-up doors, and a shade cloth. Everything you need here. $3,128, but guess what? Free shipping. You don't have to buy a $3,000 greenhouse. If you buy a greenhouse that only costs $1,500, but you want to buy all the other accessories and you want to buy some pots and some flats and some inserts and shade cloth, it all, as long as you have a subtotal of $3,000, guess what? Free shipping, baby. You don't get any better than that. We can't give away the store, but we're coming real close to it. Anyway, want to tell you one last thing. Terms and conditions. Remember, free shipping is valid May 1st to May 31st. Offer not valid on previous orders because we have other discounts running all the time. Offer not combinable with any coupon or promo codes. While supply lasts. When we run out, we can't do it. We just can't get it. The subtotal must be at least $3,000 to receive the discount. Free shipping applies only to the lower 48 states. We can't do Alaska, can't do Hawaii. I'm sorry, it just is ridiculous on shipping there. Remote locations, which is defined by the shipping company, are possibly subject to additional arbitrary delivery fees, and on those, you'll know about them, but you'll be responsible for it. Hey, thank you so much. We appreciate your business. Gosh, enjoy this beautiful May that we're gonna have. This is the time that everybody gets in their gardens and plants flowers, and it's the most wonderful time of the year. See you guys. Thank you.